Why don't we see many sick people in Asia? Because they keep eating their soup before it gets cold. Now that's a joke, but there's some truth to it. Asian cuisine is renowned for its health benefits, with its emphasis on fresh ingredients, balanced flavors, and nourishing broths. Today we're diving fork first into a flavorful exploration of healthy, Asian-inspired dishes you can whip up in your own kitchen. So, are you ready to discover the secrets of Asian cuisine? Stay tuned. Asia, a continent blessed with a culinary diversity that is as vast as its landscape. An Epicurean's paradise, Asian cuisine is a delectable blend of flavors, textures, and colors that can tantalize any palate. From the fiery spices of Sichuan, the delicate sushi of Japan, the fragrant pho of Vietnam, to the robust curries of India. Each region has its unique signature dish that is a reflection of its culture and tradition. Let's start with the Chinese cuisine, known for its balance of flavors and textures. The signature dish here is the Peking duck, a dish that showcases the artistry and skills involved in Chinese cooking. The crispy skin and tender meat of the duck, coupled with the sweet and tangy hoisin sauce and fresh scallions wrapped in a thin pancake, create a symphony of flavors in your mouth. Next, we have Japanese cuisine, famous for its minimalist approach and meticulous presentation. Sushi, the most iconic dish, is a testament to the Japanese's reverence for fresh and quality ingredients. A simple yet profound dish, sushi is a perfect harmony of vinegared rice, fresh fish, and crisp seaweed. Moving on to the Vietnamese cuisine, it's all about the freshness of ingredients and the balance of flavors. Pho, the national dish, is a comforting bowl of broth, rice noodles, herbs, and meat. The broth, simmered for hours, is aromatic and flavorful, making it a perfect dish for any time of the day. Finally, let's talk about Indian cuisine, known for its bold flavors and diverse range of dishes. Dal, a lentil curry, is a staple in every Indian household. Rich in protein and fiber, dal is not only delicious, but also a healthy choice. The use of various spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander not only add flavor, but also have health benefits, making Indian food a wholesome choice. Asian cuisine is a testament to the fact that healthy food doesn't have to be boring. With fresh ingredients, herbs, and spices, these dishes are not only flavorful, but also packed with health benefits. With such a variety, we've got plenty to explore. Let's dive in. Our first stop is Vietnam, home to the comforting and nutritious pho. Now, pho is one of those dishes you can't help but love. It's a soothing bowl of steaming broth, tender noodles, and a whole lot of flavor. But did you know this humble dish has a rich history that dates back over 100 years? That's right. Pho was born in the northern part of Vietnam in the early 20th century and quickly spread across the country, becoming a beloved national dish. The magic of pho lies in its simplicity. The base of the dish is a clear, aromatic broth typically made by simmering beef bones with a mix of traditional spices like star anise, cinnamon, and cloves. Now here's the health kicker. These spices are not just there for flavor, they have some impressive health benefits too. Star anise, for example, is packed with antioxidants and is known to boost digestion. The next layer of our pho is the noodles, traditionally made from rice. And we all know the benefits of rice. It's low in fat and it's a great source of energy. And then comes the protein. You can use beef, chicken, or tofu, making it a versatile dish for meat eaters and vegetarians alike. Now let's talk about the toppings. Sliced onions, bean sprouts, fresh herbs like cilantro and basil, and a squeeze of lime. Not only do these add a burst of freshness to the dish, but they also bring in a ton of vitamins and nutrients. And let's not forget the optional heat from sliced chili peppers, which are known to boost metabolism. Ready to try making pho at home? It's easier than you think. Start by simmering your broth with spices for a couple of hours. While that's going, prepare your noodles, protein, and toppings. Once the broth is ready, assemble your pho by layering the noodles, protein, and pouring the hot broth over. Finish off with your fresh toppings and a squeeze of lime. Voila, you've got yourself a bowl of homemade, health-packed pho. So that's pho for you, a taste of Vietnam in a bowl? Are you enjoying the culinary journey so far? Don't forget to show some love by liking this video. Subscribe to our channel to keep exploring the world of flavors with us. Got a favorite Asian dish or a recipe request? Drop a comment below. Your support helps us bring more delicious content to you. Now back to our journey. Next, we hop over to Japan, the land of sushi. Sushi, a culinary art form in its own right, has a history that's as rich and layered as the dish itself. Originally, sushi was a method of preserving fish in fermented rice. Over time, it evolved into the beautiful and intricate rolls we see today. It's not just a meal, but a symbol of Japanese culture, representing harmony, balance, and attention to detail. Now let's roll into the health benefits of sushi. The primary ingredients of sushi are raw fish and rice, both of which are low in unhealthy fats and high in essential nutrients. The fish provides a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health and brain function. The rice, particularly if you opt for brown or black varieties, is a source of complex carbohydrates, keeping you fueled throughout the day. Not to be forgotten are the vibrant veggies often tucked inside sushi rolls, contributing fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. The seaweed wrap, known as nori, is a powerhouse of minerals like iodine, which supports thyroid health. Even the wasabi and pickled ginger served on the side have their roles to play, with wasabi having anti-inflammatory properties and ginger aiding digestion. Now that we've whet your appetite, let's dive into a simple sushi recipe you can try at home. Start with sushi-grade fish, short-grain sushi rice, and nori sheets. The key is in the rice. You want it sticky, but not mushy. As for the fish, freshness is paramount. Slice it thinly, and then it's all about the roll. Lay out your nori, spread a thin layer of rice, leaving a small margin at the end. Place your fish and veggies, then roll using a bamboo mat. Slice into bite-sized pieces, and voila, homemade sushi. Remember, sushi is versatile. You can experiment with different fillings according to your preference. Tofu, cucumber, avocado, mango, the possibilities are endless. A piece of sushi can bring a wave of flavors. Give it a try. Now let's travel to India, the land of spices and flavors. As we journey into the heart of Indian cuisine, we come across a staple dish, loved and cherished by millions. The humble lentil curry, or as it's fondly known, dal. Dal isn't just food, it's a symphony of flavors. A comfort dish that nourishes the soul, and a testament to the simplicity and richness of Indian culinary traditions. From the northern plains to the southern coasts, every Indian household has its unique take on dal, and the beauty of this dish lies in its versatility. It's like a canvas, ready to take on the flavors of various spices and herbs, and each version is a masterpiece in itself. Lentils form the backbone of this dish, and it's these tiny legumes that bring a world of health benefits to your plate. Rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients like iron, folate, and magnesium, lentils are a powerhouse of nutrition. They help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce cholesterol, and promote heart health. And that's not all. Lentils are also a great source of plant-based protein, making dal a favorite among vegetarians and vegans. Now let's get cooking. The recipe for dal is as simple as it gets. Start by boiling your choice of lentils. As they simmer, sauté onions, garlic, and tomatoes in a separate pan, spiced with turmeric, cumin, and coriander. Once the lentils are cooked, mix them with the sautéed mixture. Garnish with fresh cilantro, and voila! Your dal is ready to be relished. Remember, the secret to a good dal lies in its consistency. It should be neither too thick nor too thin, but just the right balance. And the best part? This heartwarming dish pairs wonderfully with rice, bread, or even on its own. So you can enjoy it however you please. So there you have it. A dish that's not just packed with flavors, but also brimming with health benefits. A bowl of dal truly is a burst of flavors and health in each spoon. So why not give it a try and bring a piece of India into your kitchen today? A bowl of dal, a burst of flavors and health in each spoon. Finally, let's visit Korea, famous for its fermented foods, especially kimchi. This culinary masterpiece has been a staple in Korean cuisine for centuries, traced back to the Three Kingdoms period from 37 BC to 7 AD. Originally, it was simply a method of preserving vegetables during the winter months, but over time, it has evolved into a beloved side dish, served with almost every meal in Korea. The term kimchi refers to any vegetable that's been fermented, but the most popular version, and the one we're focusing on today, is made with Napa cabbage. The cabbage is salted, then mixed with a variety of seasonings such as chili pepper flakes, garlic, ginger, and fish sauce, giving it its distinctive spicy, tangy flavor. Now, let's talk about why kimchi is so revered by health enthusiasts. It's packed with beneficial probiotics thanks to the fermentation process. These probiotics are great for your gut health, aiding digestion and even helping to strengthen your immune system. Plus, kimchi is low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with vitamins A, B, and C. But don't be intimidated by the process of making kimchi. It's quite simple, really. Start by salting the cabbage and letting it sit for a couple of hours. In the meantime, you can prepare the spice mix. So, we've taken a quick tour of some of the healthiest dishes from Asia. We kicked off with the soothing Vietnamese pho, a noodle soup packed with herbs and lean meat, perfect for a cozy evening. Then we journeyed to Japan, where we rolled our way into the art of sushi making, a combination of fresh seafood and vinegared rice that's as fun to make as it is to eat. Next, we dived into the hearty world of Indian lentil curry, or dal, a protein-rich staple that promises comfort in every spoonful. And finally, we ended our culinary trip in Korea with the tangy and spicy kimchi, a probiotic powerhouse that adds a kick to any meal. Each of these dishes not only offers a taste of the vast and diverse Asian cuisine, but also brings with it a wealth of health benefits. So why not don your chef's hat and try these recipes at home? And don't stop there. There's an entire continent's worth of flavors waiting to be explored. Remember, the journey to health can also be delicious. Until next time, keep cooking, keep exploring.